Hi, today we'll be talking about how you can manage your Alibaba cloud environment with VMware Aria Cost powered by CloudHealth. Aria Cost extends multi-cloud management to Alibaba cloud customers by providing visibility into cloud costs and usage. Let's see this in action. The first thing you see when you log in will be your default dashboard. Our dashboards give you the ability to track spend across any time periods and services. By having them all in one place at your fingertips saves time for you and your team. Dashboards provide you with a high-level view into the environment. This is the Alibaba Cloud Dashboard, which gives you a quick insight into your current month-to-date spend, your previous month's spend, as well as 13 months of spend broken down by product names. You can choose to set a dashboard as a default dashboard in the platform using the flag at the top right here. You can customize dashboards to suit specific needs or requirements, say for example a multi-cloud environment. You can create a custom dashboard by going to the three vertical dots on the top right corner. Your custom dashboard can contain any combination of standard and customized reports, and these reports allow you to display your data in different ways such as bar charts, pie charts, or tabular data. By creating a custom dashboard, you have the control on what is visible to you when you first log into the platform. Moving on to our in-depth reporting, we have the cost history report, which gives you an overview of your last 13 months of cloud spend and trends, while being able to drill down into specific time periods and services. A report like this can quickly help you identify if there were recent changes in your environment that are causing cost increases and where you need to focus on. Under the filters and categories section, we see a bunch of different groups and options to help teams dive into specific times, regions, accounts, etc. Some of these filters and categories are marked by a P in a box that are called perspectives. Perspectives are user-defined criteria that allow you to group assets in ways that are more meaningful to you and ultimately will follow you through the platform. You can group assets based on cloud tags, cloud metadata, as well as custom tags that can be created in the platform to create these groups. This will help you and your team to track spend back to owner, line of business, or project and do a show back to your respective BUs. Throughout these reports, you have the ability to use filters that allow you to select one or more items from a dimension to include or exclude in your interactive reports. Another very useful feature is called report pinning that is used to examine a specific data set across multiple types of reports. Once you define your dimensions and filters, you can pin them, then seamlessly move across all of these reports to analyze the different types of data sets. As an example, I'm going to categorize this report by product type. So here we notice that ECS has the highest spend. By clicking on Actions, I can choose to save this report, give it a name, and choose who is able to view this. Additionally, by clicking on Subscribe, I can choose the frequency that I want to receive this report to ensure that the department stakeholders are staying up to date with their costs and staying in budget. And by scrolling down, you see a tabular view of this data that shows you the monthly costs. Moving on to our multi-cloud cost history report, this report gives you comprehensive visibility across your multi-cloud environment, which can be your public cloud, private cloud, or VMware cloud. And you can track spend across any cost center, department, line of business. You could also shift-click to isolate different clouds based on their spend. So here, I can see the spend of Alibaba Cloud itself. Scrolling down, you see a tabular view of your total costs by cloud. This gives you a single place to see all of your cloud spend without having to go to different reports and portals. Flex reports provide a flexible and customizable way to analyze data from your cloud bill across any variable that you choose. They can help you visualize data across more than one axis. You can build reports that answer queries relevant to your business needs. It can be useful specifically when you need more customized granular reporting. Flex reports allow you to include as many dimensions as you would like into one report as compared to our standard interactive reports. You can choose to design Flex reports by clicking on View Templates. These templates have pre-configured settings to generate specific reports. Now let's create a new report here. Give it a name. The dataset will be already selected based on the cloud, in this case Alibaba Cloud Bill. You have the option to give it a description. You can select Aggregate By from the drop-down. I'm going to select a custom range Say, for example, the current and last 12 months. You can add multiple cost measures here. And here I'm going to select pre-tax gross amount and payment amount. You also have the ability to add dimensions. We have various dimensions that you can select from the Alibaba Cost and Usage Report. So here, for example, I'm going to choose account name, owner account. And from the product drop-down, let's go for product name, product type, and product detail. Now click on Apply. You can also choose to add filters. Flex reports can be programmatically accessed via a GraphQL API. You could edit the SQL query to write advanced SQL functions as per your needs. Scrolling down, you have the ability to visualize your data in a chart format. You could change the chart type for better viewing and choose the category you want to display. And below that, you will see a preview of the report. You could move the columns around by clicking on the column header. And once you complete your report settings, click on Save and Run Report. This will generate the report as a CSV file. Now, if you go back to the list, you could check the status of your report to see if it has been completed. The asset report is derived from the Alibaba Cloud Bill and consists of all the available Alibaba assets. This report gives you a comprehensive visibility into your instance details. You can choose to add more columns and view tags of the resources and other metadata. You have the ability to save or subscribe to this report. With VMware Aria Cost powered by CloudHealth, you can gain visibility into your Alibaba cloud environment to track your cloud spend and leverage historical data for accurate forecasting and capacity planning. You could also use customizable reports and dashboards to monitor the performance of your Alibaba resources.
For more information, detailed videos, and blogs about all Aria Suite products, please visit apps-cloudmanagement.techzone.vmware.com or simply scan the QR code to learn more.